Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on location services and selecting the most accurate GPS mode available. This gives you raw satellite positioning without internet. Once done, disable battery saver and background data limits because they can throttle GPS. Make sure your phone has adequate charge and a clear view of the sky. Buildings and trees block signals. If you already downloaded offline maps or a GPX track earlier, open that app now so the phone can lock satellites and display your position immediately. You should move outdoors and open your chosen offline map or GPS status app. These apps read raw GPS without data. Once outside, hold the phone steady and wait about 30 to 90 seconds while it acquires 3 or more satellites. This stabilizes your location. Make sure your map tiles for the area are loaded from storage or import your GPX file. The app will render your position on those tiles. If no maps exist, a compass or coordinates-only display still lets you navigate using bearing and distance. You navigate by dropping pins or following GPX waypoints on the offline map. Use the on-screen compass for bearing and the distance readout to guide you. Make routine stops to let the phone relock satellites if drift appears and save key waypoints to local storage. If the location is jumpy or wrong, move to an open area, toggle location off and on, or restart the mapping app. These quick fixes often force a fresh satellite fix. That resolves most issues without internet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.